Today we are making 3 ice cream cocktails that will change your summer forever. The Dirty Shirley Float, the Boozy Affogato, and the last one, Champagne Int. Stay till the end to find out. That one is special. Let's go. First one, the Dirty Shirley Float. You all know the Shirley Tempo, the drink we had as a kid. Well, this is the grown-up version and it's so much better. This one is going viral right now. Let me show you how to make it. Get one big ice cube of vanilla ice cream, put it inside a glass, then add 1 ounce of grenadine, add 2 ounces of vodka, and then top it off with ginger ale. Beautiful. And garnish with a cocktail cherry. And there you have it, a Shirley Dirty Float. This one is special. It's an espresso martini but with vanilla ice cream, which makes it absolutely delicious. In Italy, this is a dessert, but we are turning it into a cocktail. Hot and cold in the same glass. Trust me, you will love this one. And for this, I need a perfect espresso shot. Big thanks to the Ecosi for sponsoring this video. This is the Ecosi Bresano Elite, a 4-in-1 espresso machine with a full color touch screen. Look at the screen, 4 coffee modes, gets you through every step. I just press espresso and it does the work. It has something called Barista Sense technology. It keeps the temperature and the pressure stable every single time. So even after 10 cups, the quality is the same. Now let's make an espresso for our cocktail. Okay, we got this to press the espresso. And let's make some espresso. Perfect. We're going to hit espresso. 1 cup, get a nice glass, and let's brew. Wow, look at that creamy foam. Look at that creamy foam. That's a perfect, amazing espresso, which is gonna make a great cocktail. And one more thing about this machine, it also makes cold brew in about 30 seconds. Just add ice, water, right in the tank. It has a big 1.8 liter tank, so you can keep brewing without stopping. It froth milk too, and it cleans itself with 1 touch. Now let's make an affogato martini. Start with 1 cup of vanilla ice cream, add 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Kahlua, add a shot of espresso, and then shake very well. Get a nice beautiful martini glass, strain the cocktail, and add vanilla ice cream for garnish. Inside martini. Beautiful. And garnish 3 coffee beans. And there you have the perfect affogato martini. But before the last cocktail, 3 fun facts about cocktails that will blow your mind. Fun fact number 1. Vodka has almost no taste, no smell. That's why it's the most popular spirit in the world. You can mix it with anything, and that's the secret. Fun fact number 2. Grenadine is not cherry. Everybody thinks it's cherry. It's actually made from pomegranate. The name comes from Grenada, the French word for pomegranate. Fun fact number 3. The ice cream float was invented by accident in 1874. A man ran out of ice for his soda, so he used vanilla ice cream instead. One mistake, and now look at us. Okay, enough talking, let's make the last one. The raspberry champagne float. This one is light, bubbly, and so easy. A 2 ingredients cocktail and so refreshing. Perfect for a summer hot day. Add couple raspberries inside your glass. Then add 1 cup of raspberry sorbet. Oh, nice. I'll add a little more. Couple more raspberries for garnish. And add champagne. There you have the raspberry champagne float. 3 ice cream cocktails. 3 reasons to love summer. Now it's your turn. Pick one. Make it this weekend and tag me. I want to see it. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? New cocktail every week. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.